Dear children, today I am going to teach civics lesson first, page number 190. What are laws? Those concepts are rules which remain definite and unchanged are called laws. Those concepts are rules which remains definite and unchanged are called laws. The term law is used in different senses. Usually people discuss about divine law to express their faith in divine power. The other law is physical law based on cause and effect relationship, and it is unchangeable. The third kind of law is man-made law. Man-made law or human laws may be ethical, social or political. According to Henry Sidgwick, laws are general directions so as to the conduct of the community for disobedience to which a penalty of some kind will normally be inflicted by the authority of government. T. Holland defined a law as a general rule of external human action imposed by the sovereign political authority. Some characteristics of law are as follows. Law is an instrument to do the things systematically. Second, law regulates the external life of the individual. Third, law is imposed by the determinate human authority. Fourth, state is sovereign political organization. 30. No rule can take the form of law until it is approved by the state. Need for laws. No civilized society can be peaceful unless its people abide by the rules and regulation. In fact, laws regulate the civic life of the community. Laws are important for the smooth running of the society and for establishing peace and order in the state. Customs adopted by society, when followed regularly take a conceit from the become law. In the past, certain principles were found to be useful and were applied regularly. Thus, they were recognized as law. These customs cannot be ignored by the state, but if there are any social and religious customs like child marriage, infanticide, sati system, and practice of dowry that hamper its progress and that of the country, they must be removed at the earliest, otherwise they will destroy social structure and hinder national progress. Dowry is banned and punishable in India by the Dowry Prohibition Act of 1962. Deep-rooted evils cannot be removed all at once, but continuous efforts and more stringent law help to reform the society. The Constitution and laws, their relation. In pre-democracy days, the command and order of the ruler was regarded as law. In the present world, in a democracy, elected legislature make laws for the good of the common people, but in a democracy too. Sometimes certain laws are not approved by all, while some laws might appear unjust from individual points of view. Law must be obeyed and people should abide by it. However, this does not mean that laws should not be opposed because our personal interest is not involved. If a person feels that a law is harmful to the society, he must oppose it. Laws and dissent. Next day.